Singai Ramachandran of the AIADMK. Young, at only 36 years old, he is a local boy and someone who has worked as the IT cell chief of AIADMK. His father too was an AIADMK MLA in the 90s. He hopes that the memory of Amma and the election management of party's election manager SP Velumani is going to hold him in good stead.
Coimbatore has been a stronghold of the AIADMK. Singai Ramachandran has been fielded from the party here. He's a young face, has been an engineer, went to IIM, subsequently was the IT cell head of the AIADMK. But the main draw still remains J. Jayalalitha. Especially for the women, Jayalalitha remains the vote catcher. And the other name that features prominently when you're talking about Coimbatore is that of AIADMK's SP Velumani. Believed to be extremely close to E. Palanisamy, he really is the brain behind the AIADMK's power and campaign in the area. It's a three-cornered fight here in Coimbatore. Do you think that after the passing of Ms. Jayalalitha, the AIADMK still enjoys the kind of support it did in her time?
It is not a three-corner fight in Coimbatore. The fight is between AIADMK and DMK. And after the demise of Honorable Amma, we have won 10 MLA constituencies in Coimbatore, which clearly says that we have the hold as we have already.
But, you know, everyone in the country is talking about how the Prime Minister is coming here to Coimbatore. He's campaigned for Annamalai also. Why are you still saying it's a two-cornered fight?
See, no one bothers about Prime Minister's visit here. You know, right? BJP always fights with Nota here. That's how it was earlier also in elections. And
they have an MLA now. Out of the 6 constituencies assembly, they have an MLA.
That is because they were in alliance with us. You can go and personally talk to the MLA. The MLA can personally vouch and tell that I won only because we were in alliance with AIADMK. We supported them. And just by visiting Coimbatore, I don't think Coimbatore people will support. What did Modi's government did to Coimbatore people?
But in the state, you have got the DMK. Why should people choose you? Even if you think it's a two-cornered fight, why should they choose the AIADMK, who neither is in a position to form a government at the center, nor in the state?
Because we have given a phenomenal development. Let's take data, right? From 2016 to 21, look at all the bridges, all the lake desilting, all the infrastructure projects, everything has been constructed by AIADMK government. In the last 3 years, I already challenged the DMK candidate. They don't have any points even to discuss because they have done nothing in the last 3 years. We have done everything for Coimbatore. And that's why even now we are getting overwhelming support from the people of Coimbatore. We have delivered results. And even during Corona, what we did not. There were no elections. It was not for vote bank. When people were suffering, let's assume there are 1 lakh households in every constituency in Coimbatore. For every household, we gave a box with groceries which they can use it for a month. So we always stand with people when they are suffering. DMK did nothing, Centre did nothing. That's why we have vote bank here.
Let's talk about the youth finally, because you've bought similar backgrounds with Annamalai. You're engineers, you went to IIM, came back both in your 30s. Between him and you, who do you think has a greater chance of being a youth icon?
See, youth icon is a subjective thing. I don't want to become a youth icon. I want to become a very good parliamentarian and I want to serve the people of Coimbatore. Why do we need to look for something like youth icon, this, that? All these things should come because of the work that we deliver. We should not ourselves call, I'm a leader, I'm not a manager here, I did not come here to manage things, I'm a leader. I don't do such stuff, which Annamalai does, of course. So I call myself as a very normal person, as the son of the soil, one among the people like everybody here. I will be in between them, I'll work with them.
His opponents say that Annamalai is not a factor. Then why the focus on a man who hasn't won a single election so far? Why has the BJP decided to place its big bets on him? The answer lies perhaps in his image, his outreach, and an endorsement by the Prime Minister himself.
Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Vande! 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 Bharat Mata ki Jai!
The real worry for the BJP right now is how well they will fare in the rural constituencies of Coimbatore. Of the total assembly constituencies that make up the Coimbatore Lok Sabha seat, there are at least 3 seats where the BJP is quite comfortable. These are of a largely urban population, but the rural seats remain their main worry. But going by the kind of reception that Annamalai is getting in this constituency, which is distinctly rural, at least some of the BJP's worries would be alleviated. You like Annamalai or DMK, or who do you like? I like Annamalai. DMK, BJP or AIDMK? BJP. Why? Super. Why?
The Modi super.
Modi. Why do you like?
मोदी सुपर।
यहाँ पर तो हम पहले अम्मा को सपोर्ट करते थे, अभी वो तो है नहीं है, इस वजह से इनको सपोर्ट करने का मन कर रहा है। वैसे इनको सपोर्ट करेंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा होगा यहाँ पर, इसलिए।
और डीएमके
भी अच्छा है, पर अभी फिलहाल तो नहीं है, उनका कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसलिए इनको एक बार सपोर्ट करके देखेंगे तो 5 साल में कुछ करेंगे तो फिर आगे इनके भी सपोर्ट करेंगे।
आप इतनी अच्छी हिंदी कैसे बोलते हो?
मैं वहाँ पर एमपी में थोड़ा मिठाई का दुकान लगाया था जब काम कर रहे थे। मोदी जी जब शुरू में वहाँ पर खड़े हुए थे तभी मेरा एक वोट उनका लगा हुआ है।
अच्छा।
मैं एमपी में वोट दिया उनको, उसके बाद यहाँ पर आके वोट चेंज करके मैं यहाँ पर वोट देने लग गया।
स्टालिन Annamalai, acha.
But traditionally, who have you supported? Traditionally, earlier, who have you supported?
Support the people and the welfare of the people, I will support them. I know very well who will support, or otherwise I will go for Nota.
Otherwise, you go for Nota. Do you want a change, or you are happy with the party which is here in power?
I was happy only, but need more improvement in water conservation and local people development, and more persons are with unemployment. We need more improvement in that.
But when he says this problem with TASMAC, is that really a problem?
Yeah, of course, that's a very big problem. But the people must realize themselves about they avoid drinking alcohol. Otherwise, they can't close it.
What for you is the biggest issue right now for this election?
Right now, it's unemployment for the youngsters. That is the biggest problem in India. And another one is water conservation.
But that DMK and opposition is saying that unemployment is because of BJP only.
Nobody doing that for any welfare schemes for unemployment and water conservation. There is no dam built in the recent times, and nobody giving the jobs to the middle class people.
You think that BJP will be able to give jobs?
If they think, they will give it.
Who do you support in this election? Who do you think is strong in this election?
Modi, great man, no corruption. I trust Modi.
Okay.
Annamalai, very young man, more support in people, more support, local people. Business people, more problem come, all solve Annamalai.
Really?
Really.
What problem of business has been solved?
Nowadays, more problem in textile and hosiery field, facing more problem. We will trust Annamalai. All the problems solve. We charge the MP. After we'll all the problems we will solve.
What about your current MP, the sitting MP? What do you think of?
No work. Yet to no work.
Last 5 years not see.
Not seen it.
Last election we saw the MP candidate. Nowadays not seen here.
But the DMK candidate is there now.
Yeah.
He's been local. He's been mayor. What do you think of him?
No idea.
No.
No idea.
You don't know him?
No.
Who do you support?
Modi.
Why?
Modi.
Just Modi. What about you? Who do you support?
Modi. Modi and Annamalai.
Why?
We need some political change.